This video made possible by Buy Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 and we're going to show you how to change the ringtone and the vibration tones. So the first thing you want to do is go to the settings menu, which you can either pull down and look for the gear or pull up to the apps and look for the gear. So look for the settings icon here and just click on that guy. If you're all the way up at the top, just look for the second item, which is sounds and vibrations. And now we can see ringtones here. And because this is a dual SIM card, you can actually set different ringtones for SIM card number 1 and SIM card number 2. So that's really great. So like if you have your work number in the second slot and your home number on the first slot, you want to be able to tell before you even pick up the phone which line is getting the call. You can basically set that here. So you can set, let's see, SIM card 1, we'll set it to be playing it. And I've got it turned down here so you can't hear it, but basically sounds like that. And then for SIM card 2, we'll set it to be Moon Discovery. And that's the basics. If you want to add a custom ringtone in, you can still hit plus, and then you can search either through the store or through the tracks on the phone, or even go into a folder if you've saved it to the drive. So that's basically it for setting the ringtone on this phone. Also, don't forget you can also do vibration patterns as well. So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's basically vibrating the phone in different on-off patterns, etc. And so you can set the vibration intensity as well, and all the other settings you want to do, like click sounds, etc., notification sounds. So that's basically it for setting the ringtone and the vibration tone here on the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to check out other videos for this phone and many others here on Howtechs. Thanks and bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. Card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also